promiscuous, cagey things that we all did as kids. And I think we all begin by doing the forbidden thing. I mean, all of us did the very boy thing. I remember the beautiful auntie coming. The next door auntie would come home and we would always wait for her to bend down so that we can have a quick look at her cleavage. So that was the forbidden thing, and all of us do that. I still do it. Yes. So movers and shakers, no, more than that, the forbidden thing was to be good, to be irreverent. You can't be irreverent to anybody. You have to be always goody-goody. You have to be saccharine and sugary to everyone. You have to be sycophantic. And here I was, a character that was given to me, the role of an anchor who was an anti-establishmentarian, first of all, who was a maverick, who was nomadic, who was irreverent, who was impertinent, and who was adept at pulling people's pants down, which was the diktat, which was the brief that was given to me. And
so the brief was to
that's what his answer. So then again I would like quickly make up a question and said, so Prabhu, what do you think about it? So the whole entire episode it was like, and हमने सुना है कि साउथ में ऐसे का ना भी मतलब होता है, हाँ भी मतलब. So I was confused what he was trying to say, a yes or a no, and I said, if the closest he came to me, I finally couldn't manage to pull his pants down, but I pulled his shirt down and I said, he does some funny thing with his abs, the waves. He makes waves with his abs, and that's what he did. So he was probably the most difficult guest on my show. But I had great moments like Maushmi Chatterjee, who had come and asked her, like the way you asked me, what is the craziest thing that you have done? So she thought for a moment and she came up with a very funny answer. She said, I got pregnant. So I said, got pregnant? So I said, yeah, I mean like, so I said, explain that. So she said, she thought for a moment, she said, the crazy thing in this, she was asking me a crazy thing, fun thing that I did. I got pregnant. So I said, no, but I've still not been able to understand how it was crazy. She said, no, I actually went to a producer and told him I'm pregnant, so I got a holiday. So I said, oh, so that was your answer. Oh, so this is what you were thinking, that this is the craziest thing that you have done. You got pregnant, you went and enrolled a producer and you wanted a holiday. I said, but Maushmi, I'm talking about the crazy thing that you did. I'm not talking about the crazy thing that the producer did to you. and she didn't get me. So after 4 questions later, she said, stop the show. She said, what did you tell? What did you say? 4 questions back. So we had fun on the show. So many times the guests would come in, this is after the show, they will come and shake hands with me and hug me and say, Shekhar, what a brilliant interview and stuff like that. After the interview was telecast. I said, bastard, you were taking my pants off all this while, I didn't know. It's only when I saw the show that I realized all this while you were pulling my hair. So we had fun, guys.
You know, sir, I'm very tight bent today. Okay, coming back, the dancing stint at Jhalak Dikhla Cha.
Yes, again, I guess that the best way to overcome your fear is to go ahead and do that. You know, when you are apprehensive about a thing, when you are scared about a thing, you have to go and do it, and that's what I did in Jhalak Dikhla Cha. I have 1,000 left feet, and I was like, can I ever dance in front of an entire audience? And that would be a recurring nightmare. I will get up, like it happens in movies, in a tight close-up, sweating it out. So I saw myself like forgetting my moves, and I'm in front of the audience, not being able to perform. Not being able to perform, that's the worst thing that can happen to a man. So and then and
Also, a round of applause. This man is full of.
The talking part is all done. I don't have to explain what the Forbidden One is all about. Because it's about believing in what you have to do, irrespective of whether people think it is right or wrong. And having met Shekhar and working with him has been a pleasurable experience. I will not get into this.
She got me only because someone told her that I'm very good at uncovering and unwrapping.
Yes. Now, the fact of life is that you've been mastering the art since 1984 when Utsav was released and I was born in that year. Somebody uncovered something. But yeah, so these years since then, I'm sure people
Are you trying to suggest in a way that I'm a pedophile?
not yet. wouldn't say that.
But what really inspired you to write this book? That's been a question that is.
I wish I could
What
say.
or who?
I wish.
How many?
I wish I could say it is about the YouTube search that you do on Shekhar Suman. Because when you go to YouTube and you type Shekhar Suman videos, the first thing YouTube asks you is what is your age? Is it above 18 years or not? Even if you have to watch Moovers and Shakers, you need to be 18 years or above.
That's a fact. That's a fact. A true story.
Yes. But what inspired me to write is because I think I was a born forbidden one. I've never stuck to any rules. Everything that somebody told me you should not do, I would be the first one to do, including. Exactly. I was almost about to say exactly.
No, but somebody in an interview in Ahmedabad, on a radio interview, asked you a very surprise forbidden question. What was that and how did you answer?
A video interview in Ahmedabad, actually somebody said that who said woman on the cover? And why do you have a half woman on the cover?
That's the best half you have.
Is it? It depends on the Indian men actually. I've still not figured out whether they like the upper half better or the lower one.
What was that?
After all, this becomes another roast. Let's kind of make it roast and
थोड़ा तेरा सर आ रहा है ऊंचा ऊंचा ऊंचा
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, फॉरबिडन यानी कि वो चीज़ें जो नहीं करनी चाहिए, वो कुछ अनकही बातें, कुछ अनसुनी बातें, या वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें जिसे आपके माँ बाप और आपके शिक्षकों ने, आपके दोस्तों और पड़ोसियों ने मना किया था करने को, लेकिन आप जो बड़े हुए यार बोले मना बहुत किया, करके देखें है क्या चीज़। अगर आपको कोई कहता है उस कमरे में कभी मत जाना, या उस बक्से को कभी मत खोलना, या उधर मत झांकना, या वो फिल्म नहीं देखना, जहाँ फिल्म में एडल्ट लग जाता है वहाँ लोग बच्चे सबसे ज़्यादा जाना चाहते हैं। तो वो एक ह्यूमन क्यूरोसिटी है, कौतूहल है, वो एक उत्सुकता है वो जानने की। किताब में भी वो सारी चीज़ें लिखी गई हैं कि फॉरबिडन वन जो है, यानी कि जो जिस चीज़ से आपकी मनाही है, वो करना हमेशा गलत नहीं होता है, अच्छा होता है कभी कभी अगर आप उस कन्वेंशन, उस ट्रेडिशन को तोड़ के आगे बढ़ें ज़िंदगी में और वो करें जिसके लिए आपको मनाही थी और जिसके लिए हमेशा लोगों ने मना किया था। मैं तो शो करता था अपना, मूवर्स एंड शेकर्स शो करता था, वो तो एक शालीनता के दायरे में वो एक शो था, लेकिन मैं किसी पर टीका टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहूँगा। मैं समझता हूँ कि जो मोरालिटी नाम का इशू है वो एक बहुत ही व्यक्तिगत मामला है, और हम कोई नहीं होते मॉरल पुलिस बनने के ये सही है वो गलत है। आपको खुद ये सोचना चाहिए कि क्या जो मैंने किया वो सही था या गलत था। अगर आपको लगता है सही तो जाइए कीजिए, और जो लोग उसका विरोध करना चाहते हैं करें। मैं उन लोगों में से नहीं जो विरोध करूँगा, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है आप अपना दायरा खुद तय कर रहे हैं, और अगर चोर को ये मालूम हो कि चोरी ख़राब है तो शायद वो चोरी ना करे। उसको लगता है नहीं ये सही है इसलिए वो करता रहता है। खूनी को लगता है नहीं खून करना ठीक है यार, क्या है, इतने सारे लोग उसमें से एक का खून कर दिया मैंने, तो वो खून जाके करता है। बलात्कारी को लगता है कि नहीं ये तो सही है और मैं जो कर रहा हूँ सही है। उसको खुद उस विश्लेषण की ज़रूरत है, सोचने की ज़रूरत है कि क्या मैंने जो किया वो सही किया या नहीं, और पश्चिम की तरफ देख के, पाश्चात्य चीज़ों से प्रभावित होकर चीज़ें करना कितना सही है ये भी आपको सोचने के लिए एक विषय देता है। क्योंकि जो चीज़ उनके लिए अच्छी है ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो चीज़ें हमारे लिए अच्छी हों, जो चीज़ें हमारे लिए अच्छी हों ज़रूरी नहीं। हमें कितनी ज़रूरत है ये सब चीज़ करने के लिए। हम क्या, आम का पेड़ कभी बबूल नहीं बन सकता चाहे वो कितनी कोशिशें कर लें, और बबूल कभी लीची नहीं बन सकता। वो सबके पेड़ की अपनी अपनी खासियत है। उसी तरह इंसान और सभ्यता और देश और शहर, आप किसी की तरह नहीं हो सकते, आपको अपनी ही तरह हो।